The world beneath the ocean's surface is teeming with life, some of it known and much of it mysterious. Among the most captivating inhabitants of this underwater realm are sea turtles, ancient mariners whose lives are full of surprising details and curious behaviors. This comprehensive exploration will delve into the little-known facts and marvels of sea turtle biology, behavior, and ecology, revealing why these creatures are so extraordinary. Introduction. Sea turtles, belonging to the superfamily Chelonioidea, are marine reptiles that have existed for over 100 million years, even outliving most dinosaurs. There are 7 species of sea turtles: the leatherback, green, hawksbill, loggerhead, Kemp's ridley, olive ridley, and flatback. Despite their long history, many aspects of their lives remain hidden from the general public. This extensive description aims to illuminate the lesser-known aspects of sea turtles, making us appreciate their role in marine ecosystems and the importance of their conservation. The mysteries of longevity. One of the most remarkable aspects of sea turtles is their longevity. Sea turtles can live for several decades, with some species like the green turtle, Chelonia mitis, potentially reaching up to 80 years or more. Their long lifespan is a subject of much fascination and scientific study. Unlike many terrestrial animals, sea turtles continue to grow throughout their lives, although their growth rate slows significantly after reaching maturity. Slow aging process. Sea turtles exhibit a relatively slow aging process compared to other animals. Their biological processes are adapted to their marine environment, which contributes to their extended lifespan. Research suggests that their longevity is linked to their ability to reduce metabolic rates during periods of inactivity or when food is scarce. This metabolic adaptation helps them conserve energy and survive in challenging conditions. Lifespan studies. Determining the exact age of sea turtles is challenging because they do not have physical markers like tree rings. Scientists often rely on indirect methods such as growth rings in their shells or bones and tagging programs where individuals are tracked over many years. These studies have provided valuable insights into their growth patterns, reproductive cycles, and overall longevity. Epic migrations. Sea turtles are renowned for their incredible migratory journeys. Some species travel thousands of kilometers between their feeding grounds and nesting sites. The leatherback turtle, Dermacalus coriacea, for example, undertakes some of the longest migrations of any marine animal, traveling across entire ocean basins from the cold waters of the North Atlantic to the tropical beaches of the Caribbean to lay their eggs. One of the most astonishing aspects of these migrations is the turtle's ability to navigate accurately across vast and featureless ocean expanses. Sea turtles use a combination of environmental cues, such as the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun, and chemical cues in the water to find their way. This incredible navigational ability, known as magnetoreception, allows them to locate the same nesting beaches where they were born. Tagging and tracking. Advancements in technology have enabled scientists to tag and track sea turtles over long distances. Satellite telemetry has revealed detailed migratory routes and behaviors, showing how these animals navigate across the oceans. Tracking data has been crucial for understanding their migratory patterns and for identifying critical habitats that need protection. Nesting behavior. Sea turtle nesting behavior is both fascinating and vital for their survival. Female sea turtles return to the same beaches where they were born to lay their eggs, a phenomenon known as natal homing. This behavior ensures that the species' genetic diversity is maintained and that hatchlings are born in suitable habitats. Egg laying and incubation. A single female can lay hundreds of eggs in a nesting season, depositing them in carefully constructed nests on sandy beaches. The incubation period for sea turtle eggs ranges from 45 to 75 days, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Interestingly, the temperature of the sand where the eggs are incubated determines the sex of the hatchlings, with warmer temperatures typically producing females and cooler temperatures producing males. Hatchling survival. Once hatched, the tiny turtles face a perilous journey from the nest to the sea. This journey is fraught with dangers, including predators like birds, crabs, and fish. Those that make it to the ocean must then contend with numerous marine predators. It is estimated that only about 1 in 1,000 hatchlings will survive to adulthood, highlighting the importance of every successful nest. Physical adaptations. Sea turtles have a range of physical adaptations that enable them to thrive in marine environments. Their streamlined shells reduce drag and make them efficient swimmers. The front flippers of sea turtles are adapted for powerful strokes, allowing them to swim long distances, while their rear flippers act as rudders for steering. Breathing and diving. Unlike fish, sea turtles are air-breathing reptiles. They must surface to breathe but can hold their breath for extended periods, particularly when resting. Leatherback turtles are exceptional divers, capable of reaching depths of over 1,000 meters and holding their breath for up to 85 minutes. These diving capabilities allow them to exploit deep-sea prey and avoid surface predators. Living in saltwater presents the challenge of maintaining salt balance within the body. Sea turtles have specialized glands located near their eyes, known as salt glands, which excrete excess salt absorbed from seawater. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in marine environments and helps them maintain proper hydration. Varied diets. Sea turtles have diverse diets that vary by species and age. Green turtles are primarily herbivorous, feeding on seagrasses and algae. Their grazing helps maintain healthy seagrass beds, which are important habitats for many marine species. Hawksbill turtles have a more specialized diet, feeding mainly on sponges, which in turn influences the composition of coral reef communities. Leatherback turtles have a diet that consists mainly of jellyfish. Their preference for gelatinous prey helps control jellyfish populations, which can have significant ecological impacts if left unchecked. Leatherbacks have unique adaptations, such as backward-pointing spines in their throats, to help them consume slippery jellyfish. Loggerhead turtles are omnivores, feeding on a variety of prey including crustaceans, mollusks, and fish. They have strong jaws capable of crushing hard-shelled prey, and their feeding activities play a role in shaping the benthic seafloor ecosystems. Social behaviors and interactions. Sea turtles are generally solitary animals, except during mating and nesting seasons. They do not form social groups like dolphins or whales, but will occasionally interact with other turtles, particularly in feeding areas. Mating rituals. The mating behavior of sea turtles is complex and often involves long migrations to breeding areas. Males compete for the attention of females, sometimes engaging in aggressive interactions. Mating typically occurs in the water near nesting beaches, and females can store sperm for several months, allowing them to lay multiple clutches of eggs from a single mating event. Communication. While sea turtles do not communicate using vocalizations like some marine animals, they have other ways of interacting. They use body language such as nuzzling or biting to communicate during courtship. Chemical cues also play a role in their interactions, particularly in recognizing suitable mates and nesting sites. Human impact. Sea turtles face numerous threats, many of which are human-induced. Coastal development, pollution, climate change, and fishing practices have significantly impacted sea turtle populations. Coastal development can destroy nesting habitats, while pollution, particularly plastic debris, poses a deadly threat to turtles that mistake it for food. Climate change. Climate change affects sea turtles in multiple ways. Rising sea levels and increased storm activity can erode nesting beaches, while warmer temperatures can skew the sex ratio of hatchlings towards females. Changes in ocean currents and prey availability also impact their feeding and migratory patterns. Fishing bycatch. Incidental capture in fishing gear, known as bycatch, is one of the leading causes of sea turtle mortality. Turtles can become entangled in fishing nets, long lines, and trawl nets, leading to injury or death. Efforts to reduce bycatch include the use of turtle excluder devices, TEDs, and changes in fishing practices. Conservation efforts. Global conservation efforts are crucial for the survival of sea turtles. Many countries have implemented laws to protect sea turtles and their habitats. International agreements, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES, regulate the trade of sea turtle products. Conservation organizations work tirelessly to protect nesting beaches, rescue injured turtles, and raise public awareness. The role of sea turtles in marine ecosystems. Sea turtles play important roles as ecosystem engineers. Their feeding activities help maintain the health of seagrass beds and coral reefs. By grazing on seagrasses, green turtles prevent these habitats from becoming overgrown and help maintain biodiversity. Hawksbill turtles, by feeding on sponges, help balance coral reef ecosystems and allow corals to thrive. Sea turtles contribute to nutrient cycling within marine ecosystems. When they nest on beaches, they transfer nutrients from the ocean to the land. The remains of unhatched eggs and hatchling turtles that do not make it to the sea provide food for terrestrial and coastal predators, enriching the nutrient content of the beach ecosystem. Indicator species. Sea turtles are considered indicator species, meaning their health reflects the overall health of the marine environment. Declines in sea turtle populations can signal broader environmental issues, such as habitat degradation and pollution. Protecting sea turtles can have positive ripple effects on entire marine ecosystems. Cultural significance and human connections. Cultural importance. Sea turtles have held cultural significance for many coastal communities around the world. They are often revered in myths and legends, symbolizing strength, resilience, and wisdom. In some cultures, sea turtles are considered messengers of the gods or symbols of good fortune. Tourism and education. Sea turtles also play a role in ecotourism, attracting visitors to nesting beaches and marine protected areas. Turtle watching tours provide economic benefits to local communities and raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Educational programs and community involvement are key components of successful conservation initiatives. Community involvement. Effective conservation often involves local communities. Engaging local populations in sea turtle protection efforts can lead to more sustainable and lasting outcomes. Community-based conservation programs empower people to take an active role in protecting their natural heritage and foster a sense of stewardship. Future prospects and ongoing research. Advancements in research. Ongoing research continues to uncover new insights into the lives of sea turtles. Genetic studies are revealing more about their population structures and migratory behaviors. Technological advancements such as drones and satellite tracking provide more detailed data on their movements and habitats. Innovative conservation strategies. Innovative conservation strategies are being developed to address the challenges facing sea turtles. These include habitat restoration projects, the establishment of marine protected areas, and the implementation of sustainable fishing practices. Collaborative efforts among governments, NGOs, scientists, and local communities are essential for effective conservation. Hope for the future. Despite the many challenges, there is hope for the future of sea turtles. Conservation efforts have led to positive outcomes in some regions, with increasing numbers of nesting females and hatchling success rates. Public awareness and global cooperation are crucial for ensuring that sea turtles continue to thrive in the world's oceans. Sea turtles are remarkable creatures whose lives are intertwined with the health of marine ecosystems. Their fascinating behaviors, adaptations, and ecological roles make them worthy of our admiration and protection. By understanding and addressing the threats they face, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at these ancient mariners. Protecting sea turtles is not just about saving a species, it is about preserving the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. If you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon to be updated on future videos. Feel free to leave a comment below.